Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Jacob. We're at the park today. It's a nice clear skies. No one's at the park because every kid out there is at school still. So we're gonna get plugged in and we're gonna rip this. We're gonna shred the park, dude. I'm trying out new camera tilts just to see what I like. Because in the last video, you're just looking at the ground the entire time. So hopefully I can figure it out which one's better. And yeah, so without further ado, I hope you guys enjoy. Peace.
Waiting for too long, girl, I've been craving. 'Cause it's with you where I belong. I don't know what to do, so I'm leaving the city. 'Cause I can't afford all my demons. I wish that it was true, that you need me to hold you, but I can't control how you're feeling.
That was a warm-up pack, and to be honest, I wasn't thinking about going underneath the swing set just yet, but I mean I can do it, which is cool. So yeah, let's keep flying. There's someone here, kind of awkward, but yeah. Here's an update for you guys on that last rip. I don't know how it happened, but we broke the XT60. We ripped it. We literally shredded it. I don't know how it happened, but it happened. So I think that's gonna be the end of the video, unfortunately. I have a replacement at home, so I just got to do the little yeah, that's my soldering impression. But fix that, and then not hopefully, I will be going to a park very soon again. And I like this park if I come here super early when no one else is here. But that swing set, I'm gonna power loop it in the next video. I'm gonna learn how to power loop on here because I can do it in the sim, no problem. And just learn more tricks, to be honest. Like this is why I like started the entire channel, was just to show my progression in the hobby. And so far so good. So if you guys like this video, leave a thumbs up, I'd appreciate it. Leave a comment, I'd appreciate that. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. So see ya, peace. Taking a thumbnail video. You see it?